For more Excel video tutorials, please visit our website at www.learnexcelfunctions.com. Welcome to Part 9 of our Fundamentals of Excel 2010 course. In the preceding few videos, we've shown you how to format worksheets. In this video, I want to show you how to work with the workbook a little bit. Now for this exercise, I'm actually going to change the way my window looks by restoring my window here. So this may look a little bit different than what you have. You're going to see in the lower left-hand corner, I have sheets 1, 2, and 3 here. Now I want to show you how to do several things. First thing I want to show you how to do is how to insert, delete, and move sheets around. To insert a sheet, all you have to do is right-click on any sheet tab and select Insert. When I selected Insert, you're going to see a dialog box appears, and it's going to ask me what kind of an item that I want to put in. I'm going to want to put in a worksheet. So I'll select that and click OK. And you're going to see sheet 4 was inserted. And just like with rows and columns, whenever you're inserting a sheet, it's always going to be inserted before whatever it is you selected. To delete a sheet is also very simple. You can simply right-click on any sheet name and select Delete. If there was nothing on the sheet, you won't get a warning. However, if there was content on that sheet, Excel will warn you before it actually deletes it. You cannot undo deleting a sheet, so be careful when you do that. If you want to move the sheet tabs around, you can just drag them. For example, let's say for some reason or another I wanted sheet 3 to be in between sheets 1 and 2. If I just drag that sheet over there and release, you'll see that the sheets change position. So I can move these sheets anywhere I want in my tab order. To rename a sheet, you just simply right-click on the name and select Rename. And I'm going to go ahead and name this 1Q Sales. And I'm going to go ahead and move it back over. And I'm going to right-click on sheet 3 here, and I'm going to rename that 2Q Sales. To move content from one sheet to another is also very simple. If I want to go ahead and copy this data onto the second quarter sheet, all I've got to do is highlight it. And go down just a little bit to get right there. And then I'm going to right click and select Copy. I could have also used my ribbon command for that. And then I'm going to go to the second quarter sheet, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to select Paste. There are quite a few paste options here, and you can see a preview of what they're going to look like when you paste them in. Normally you're just going to select this first option, just a plain old paste. And the data is now copied over onto your next workbook. It won't copy over the column widths, so you may have to go through and highlight and resize some of your columns to get it to look the way you want it to. You also see I have a zoom down here in the lower right hand corner. I can click that little plus sign and make this a little bit larger. So now I have two worksheets, my first quarter worksheet and my second quarter worksheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just simply going to delete this block of cells because I don't need the first quarter data on the second quarter sheet. All I actually need is the form so I can enter in the data. And I'm also going to go ahead and change first quarter here. So come up here to my formula line and type second quarter and hit enter. And I'm now ready to type in my month names, and I can type in the values that I want into these cells. And there I go. Very simple to move data or to copy data from one worksheet to another. For more Excel video tutorials, please visit our website at www.learnexcelfunctions.com.